Today is May 9th, and I just received last night my little Henry Sweetspire plant that I'm going to put right here. I've been carving out a space for it, trying to break up the grass underneath it for a couple of months. The plant was actually supposed to arrive between the 12th and the 15th, so I had planned on the weekend to dig the hole and get it ready for the plant, but it arrived early and I haven't had time to get that hole ready yet. But I am excited to unbox it and put it over here at least to live in its space for a little while. It is a part shade location and this plant is supposed to be perfect for that. But I was really excited when I opened it because look how great it looks. It does look like it needs a little sun, but it's so healthy and fresh. And the funny thing is I ordered this from Amazon. So first let me get my box cutters out and I'm going to open the box and we'll look at it a little more. It had a little collar on the inside to hold it in place and I just cut it out. It's a 2-gallon pot, that's what I had read. And it really does look so cute. And look at these, it's like it even got little buds, just perfect. It's supposed to bloom in, I think it's a late spring, which is just about now, right? It just needs to green up a tiny bit. But I was really excited that it came in such great shape. The reviews on Amazon were really good. I had asked around locally for a couple of weeks, and I went to one of the big box stores, Home Depot, and they did not have it in stock, but said I could order it online. But then, when I did a search for Little Henry, Amazon came up, and it had such great reviews. I do have Prime, so I thought, why not? Anyway, pretty impressive. I do like to buy locally if I can. It's a proven winner. It was $38 and change, so it's $39. I don't know, it's pretty good. I've usually had really bad experiences ordering plants online, and I am very happy with this. So I'm going to take it out and put it in its little spot. It's next to my butterfly garden. It's opposite a panicle hydrangea that's white. The reason I picked Little Henry was it attracts butterflies, has a nice smell, and the best part is in the fall, the leaves turn kind of orangey red. And that's what I was looking for because I have around my yard a wall of hedges. Let's see, there's more hedges over there. Yep, my whole yard, and I do like the privacy hedges, but it's very green. So this will break it up nicely. It'll be white, and then it'll have some fall interest. So I'm going to take it out of the pot, sit it in its place, and it'll still be a few days before I can get to that hole. The pot came wrapped in this drawstring bag, and only one little piece was broken off. There are a couple little pieces around the bottom. But overall, for a plant that was shipped, it looks very healthy, and it seems ready to go. So hopefully in a few days I can give it a permanent home. For now, it'll sit here and get used to its area. Thanks for watching.